Hey guys, we are back in our video, and today we are going to be playing House of Celestina, a horror game. Is that right, Timmy? Open your mouth. Gucci. So we're just going to get into this now, so let's do it. Guys, if you hate jump scares, flashing lights, anything, just leave, okay? Find a way out. Find out who Celestina is and why. Never mind, I can't read that in time. I know one thing, guys. We won't have time to read that because I heard this character chases you like God's plan. Like, there she is. She's coming. Kill me now. Tried this game out before. Oh my god! Oh my god! No. Okay, guys, that was close. That was super close. I'm turning my... Wait. Stop. I'm turning down my volume, boys and girls. Why am I looking up? Found a puzzle piece. Thank goodness that's not loud. Whew, you have to press space to escape. Which is not too bad. Okay. Found one puzzle piece. What the frick? She scared me twice. Come on. My name is Andy, a friend of Celestina. I am here to tell you how Celestina became an evil. When she was young, she was abused by her own parents. That makes her heart as hard as rock. As time passes, she had a husband and a son, but her son died in a tragic accident. Situation because worsened when she finds out that the man she loves was married to another girl and have a kid at the same time. She was depressed. She couldn't accept the situation. I knew it. Celestina, we can be friends, okay? Okay, Celestina? I don't want to read you anymore. Jeez! Come on, man. Okay, someone had some tomato salad, dude. I saw you. Some tomato salad. They probably didn't really enjoy it. She can come through walls! Did you see that? Hold up. She can come through walls, dude. Oh my god. Come on, door. Is that Celestina? She looks like she got abused, definitely. 4 puzzle pieces. And she's coming. Jeez! I did not expect that! Go away! She's way too fast. Jeez, stop it! I want to escape this house, please. Celestina, we could be friends. Are you kidding me? My God. I don't know what I just did. Timmy, can you convince Celestina to be my friend, please? Celestina's a new girl at school. Gotta impress her, you know? Celestina! I got good grades, okay? Wait, can we escape now? Okay, we gotta go read John Cena. Hi, my name is John. I'm the first victim of Celestina. I've also tried to escape, and unfortunately I did not succeed. But I know something that might help you out of this house. You must solve all the puzzle to open the key cabinet and go to the... Celestina, I'm reading a note! And solve all the and go underground to find the main key to finally escape her house. Be careful, she's just watching you around. Okay, John, we need to know how much puzzle pieces we need. Celestina, chill out. Okay, guys, we just can't beat Celestina today. Can't pause the game. Can't pause the game. Pause game. Pause game. Pause game. Pause game. Pause game! Oh my God, pause game. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you did, and hopefully Celestina won't kill you tonight. Peace. Peace.